There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. A little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. No, I didn't clean the bench this time. I actually didn't want to make a bench cleaning video. So what I'm doing today is, besides moving, I gotta move some shit out of the way. So bear with me here. I gotta, what do you call it? I'm taking my bucket of Evaporust. Right here. There's my Evaporust bucket, which sucks donkey balls. I'm not sure if I want to put. See, I want to put my I want to put my Wilton Vise in here, but I don't know. I think it's just rust in there. I didn't really clean this out too good, so you know what? Maybe I should. You know what? I'm just gonna stuff it in here. I like sticking my hands in here. It's ice, freaking cold. It's freezing. Anything in here? Wait a minute, let's put this back in here. Duh. This. I noticed this Evaporust when you get on your fingers, having little cuts. It feels a little acidic, like it freaking burns. So anyway, I'm gonna put the what a shitty looking angle, right? Yeah. You know what? I'm just gonna put this in here. It's gonna drip all day. It's gonna drip forever. I made the little bucket myself here. Let me move this up a little so you can see better. I basically took a bucket and drilled 4 million holes in it. Just to let you know, if you do make a bucket with 4 million little holes like this, you're gonna have to deburr every one of these holes. Every single one of these holes, you're gonna have to use a deburrer because it ends up like this sharp, nasty thing on there. So better like deburring, because that's what's gonna happen. So yeah, I'm gonna take this out of here temporarily, just for a second, and I'm gonna put Jesus Christ. Let's go like this. I'm gonna put this Wilton Vise in the bucket. And what I've learned off of other people is if you put a rag on top, you can get, but there's another trick to it. If I can find it, if you stick pieces of water bottles in here, it'll bring up the water level and basically cover the whole thing. So I got about 2 inches here I gotta cover, which now I gotta find something and stuff in there that is basically gonna keep this thing from, or keep it covered. So hold on a second and go look for something. Well folks, all I can come up with is a vat of antifreeze and 2 bottles of water, which brought it up about maybe this much. I need at least, I'm gonna have to do this in 2 spurts. First part this way and then flip it over so I don't get a line, but I don't really care if there's a line on it because I'm not doing bare metal on this thing. So my other option was I put it in a box and put it, but you know what, it's all I got. It'll work. It's good. Put it in the Evaporust and I will record the end result tomorrow and basically merge the 2 videos together. So next video is coming right after this finger.